Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create a gift card in Squarespace website. The first thing you want to do once on your Squarespace dashboard, you are going to tap on Pages from the drop down menu on the left hand corner, and from here you can either select Shop or you can select your product page. For this example, I'll simply tap on Shop. After selecting Shop, you're going to tap on the plus right here beside the settings cog. And from here, you're going to tap on gift card. Then once you have selected gift card, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can add the product name, as you can see right there. And you could also add in descriptions if you want. So for example, I'll simply add in a product name, and you could add in description, and you can also add in additional information as you can see right there. Then you are going to scroll down and you can add images if you want, and you can see the inventory right here. Then you are going to scroll down and you can add the categories and also the tags and visibility. And you can scroll down and you can also set it up at checkout if you want. Once you have done doing all of your customizing for your gift card, you can simply tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.